Many states require front license plates by law for vehicles like the Tesla Model X. Driving without one can result in significant fines and other penalties. Fortunately, Tesla now provides free front license plate kits for Model X owners in states that require them. A case study showed that successful DIY installation using Tesla's kit reduced insurance premiums by 5 to 10% due to compliance. The Tesla front license plate kit comes with everything needed for installation. It includes a holder made of plastic or aluminum, rivets or self-tapping screws for secure mounting, and detailed instructions to guide you through the process. The holder is specifically designed to fit the Model X's bumper seamlessly, ensuring it attaches securely without blocking or interfering with the vehicle's sensors, cameras, or radar systems. It's crucial to use a kit made specifically for the Model X models from 2016 to 2025 to ensure proper fitment and avoid any compatibility issues. If your vehicle didn't come with the kit or if it's missing, you can easily order one directly from Tesla service centers or through their online portal. To install the front license plate on your Tesla Model X, you'll need several specific tools. Let's review what you'll need to gather before starting. You'll need a rivet gun or pop rivet tool. This is essential for the installation. You'll need a drill with drill bits. This is essential for the installation. You'll need a screwdriver. This is essential for the installation. You'll need a leveler tool. This is essential for the installation. You'll need a measuring tape. This is essential for the installation. You'll need a safety glasses. This is essential for the installation. You'll need a stainless steel rivets. This is essential for the installation. Remember, stainless steel rivets are crucial to prevent corrosion and ensure durability. Have all these tools ready before beginning the installation process. Proper positioning of the front license plate is crucial for both legal compliance and vehicle safety on your Tesla Model X. The plate must be centered horizontally on the front bumper. Vertically, position the plate between 12 and 18 inches above the ground level. This ensures optimal visibility without interfering with the vehicle's sensors. The plate should also be angled slightly downward, between 0 and 10 degrees. This helps maintain visibility from different viewing angles. Always use a measuring tape to verify placement against your local DMV guidelines. Here's an example of a standard California license plate and the required dimensions. Legally, California's Vehicle Code 5200 requires that license plates be clearly visible from a distance of 50 feet. This ensures public safety and proper vehicle identification. A real-world case study from a fleet installation shows the consequences of improper positioning. A misaligned plate led to a traffic ticket, underscoring why precision is essential. Common mistakes when installing a front license plate on your Tesla Model X can lead to safety issues or vehicle damage. Here are the most important ones to avoid. First, avoid using magnetic holders. These can detach at high speeds over 60 miles per hour, causing the license plate to fall off and potentially creating road hazards or legal issues. Second, ensure the license plate holder does not interfere with the vehicle's radar sensors or cameras. Blocking these can cause autopilot malfunctions and compromise your safety systems. Third, always double-check that the license plate is securely fastened. Loose rivets or screws can cause rattling, especially at highway speeds, leading to vibrations and potential damage. Finally, always disable any active safety features, such as autopilot, during the installation process. This prevents potential sensor malfunctions while you're working near the vehicle's front. When installing a front license plate on your Tesla Model X, you have two main options: doing it yourself or having a professional handle it. Let's compare the pros and cons of each approach. DIY installation can save you money since there's no service fee involved. You can work on your own schedule and learn more about your vehicle in the process. However, DIY requires precise work and the right tools. If not done correctly, you risk voiding the $8,000 bumper warranty or causing fitment issues that affect the vehicle's aerodynamics. Professional installation guarantees proper fitment and ensures warranty protection remains intact. It also maintains the vehicle's aerodynamic efficiency, as mechanics are trained to follow Tesla's specifications. On the downside, professional service costs money and requires scheduling an appointment, Plus, you get less hands-on experience with your vehicle. Tesla officially recommends professional installation to preserve the vehicle's warranty and maintain optimal performance. Mechanics also advise professional help to avoid potential issues with the high-value bumper system. The future of vehicle identification is moving toward digital alternatives that eliminate the need for physical license plates altogether. Tesla is leading the charge for digital e-plates that use AI-powered cameras for vehicle identification. These systems provide more accurate tracking than traditional plates and can integrate seamlessly with autonomous driving technology. Several U.S. states are testing digital plate programs specifically for Tesla vehicles. These pilots reduce license plate theft, which is a common problem, and enable real-time updates through connected vehicle systems. Experts predict that by 2030, many electric vehicles like the Model X could rely entirely on VIN-linked digital identification systems. This would phase out physical license plates in areas where they're not legally required, streamlining vehicle registration and reducing maintenance. Digital license plate alternatives offer superior security, operational efficiency, and seamless integration with modern vehicle technology. As autonomous driving becomes more common, these systems will become the standard for vehicle identification.